another special Turtle Beach unboxing video. They are on Amazon, and also they have a website you could check out. I'll leave it down in the description. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Now they got a new lineup of gaming accessories, including this one right here. This is a Vulcan number 2 TKL Pro mechanical RGB gaming keyboard. Looking smooth. You even got a rest. You can rest your wrist. Got some stuff on the side. Here we go. We got the Hall effect. Push to mute volume. Detachable USB. It's always a good thing. Looking good. Aluminum top plate. Pre-lubed stabilizer. And here we go. Now we're going to see what's inside. And like I said, let's check them out. They got the Prime Day deals going on now. And here we go. And this one's going to look like when you get it. I think they might still be on pre-order, but either or, check them out. Nice glacier white. At the bottom, kind of like a silverish. No, we also got. I even take care of their manual. The goodies are at the bottom. Here's a cable. Pretty long cable. All good quality made. Got the logo right there. Super soft. So we got that. And make sure you do not eat this. Make sure your kids or cats don't eat that. Not good. I'm not sure what it does to you, but do not eat it. I'm going to put this together. Alright guys, we got it all situated. Now we're going to take this, wrap it off the keyboard. And give it a setup. I have one more video coming up. Let me take this off. Oh cool, you don't need to connect it. There's nowhere to connect this together, so you can have it, or you don't have to have it. It's your choice. Here we go. And that's how you mute it. See, I'm a more big fan of the numbers on the side, but for all you gaming pros out there, this is a good one. Super lightweight. Got the non-slip guards. You can always look these up. But it is wireless. So the buttons should be. Here's the power. And you turn. There's an app also. You can check them out. You have to download the app. RGBs down here, the lights. How do I turn this thing on? Keyboard seems very nice to type. Nice color though, definitely a nice. Might be my permanent one. Oops, I'll get up this way. And the goals. There we go. Hold on one sec. Here we go. I already had a cord, so I just use that cord, and I just gotta put this one aside. So good. But super bright RGBs. I'm gonna turn off the lights. I'm not sure how much that's gonna help, but it's still early. But really nice RGBs. You can see the Turtle Beach right there. The volume. I think it's what, F? Uh-oh. Thanks. Everything is good. So let me check out something. Hold on. So once you go on the Turtle Beach website, it's going to be that one. And download. And download. And once you go on the website, there's a Vulcan 2 TKL Pro. And I have the Burst Air 2. So there's no updates except for keyboard. So I'm going to update that next. The mouse is good. Here we go. And that's what it looks like when it's updating. And it's going to do flashes and stuff. So we are done. Update again. One more time. Yeah, this is definitely a nice keyboard. See, there we go. It's going to update it, firmware and all that good stuff. Right about now, it's going to turn back on. There we go. Okay, we are done. And now it's preparing. You can see the pictures now. Fully TKL. And it's preparing the update. Excuse me. There we go. We got the RGBs bright up. And we are good to go. Now there's a little guide. Start. You change illumination. Holy moly. There's a lot to do. Let's create a macro for different games. There's like all the games you could have it pre-programmed. Set up your game mode function, I guess. Game mode, easy shift, FN. And just keep it primary. Whoa. Okay. So we got fully lit. You can change sensitive light level. We'll keep it to the max. Breathe. We can do a little snake action. Change the speed on the snake. So let's start from there. Yeah, it's like the game on the phones back in the day. Or on the electronic calculators. Here we go. Okay. Ripple. Ripple. And you can change the colors. Back out of the ripple. We could do custom. Right now it's at white. And default. Breathe. Fade. We got the Hall effect. There's a lot of things you could do. heartbeat. That's pretty cool. Change the color and profile. Yeah, there's like a lot of options. Take a couple days to figure it out. For me, simple. I like it. So I'm just gonna game mode. Back to snake. There's that. Breathe. And it looks like you could change key. Yep, you could pick eye. And you click on the breathe. You can make that one breathe. This is crazy. All the way off. All the way up. Do custom. All effect. I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're going to figure out. You can turn it off. Turn it on. This is nuts. I'm really impressed. Don't mind me right now. I'm just trying to set it up for video. There we go. Colors. I'm gonna do purple. You got multi other ones here. There we go. So now we got that going. And there's all the other options they got. A lot to choose from, guys. So definitely check them out. A lot to do with this little keyboard. But really nice. Turtle Beach. Thank you, guys. Be safe. Have a good weekend.